as document object model methods you studied, no? What are the methods you studied? Get element by ID. Next, get elements by tag name. Next, get elements by class name. Okay. Even you can use query selector and query selector all. These all you can use. Suppose here I'll use these methods also in this today program. See. Again, like yesterday, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all I am going to combine in one program. Say HTML open, HTML close, body open, body close. Now, suppose HTML, CSS, JavaScript tutorial I want to display. Now, first level 1 heading, which tag required? H1. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, it is H1. Let us written file save. Parallelly, I'll run the program also. You'll get a more clarity at a time. C drive demo.html. Like this, we got it. Suppose now again HTML on subcontent, CSS again separate, JavaScript separate. Second level 2 heading I want to write H2, HTML, H2, again H2, CSS, H2, H2, JavaScript. Okay, H2. See, you'll get it like this. Now, after this, here, paragraphs. It is one paragraph. Here also one paragraph about HTML, about CSS, about JavaScript. Like this, I want to write. Here, one paragraph. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is called as presentation language. It is also called as formatting language. Say like this paragraph. Okay. Some other content I'll write. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Like this. Here one paragraph. Okay. Here also one paragraph. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It is called as style sheet language. Okay. It was developed by Hakan William Lai in 1996. Like some other content I'll add. It is used to create a web page. It is define web page. It is used to define style sheets to a web page. Like this content. Okay. Here one content, here one content, one more. JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language. It is used to add dynamic behavior to a web page. It is also used to validate HTML forms. It was developed by Brendan Hike in 1995. Something I written. Suppose you observe it is HTML, CSS and JavaScript tutorial, some website. Okay. Like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is I want underline also. Underline which tag? U tag. Here U. Okay. Like this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like this I given. Suppose you prepared one website for HTML, CSS, JavaScript tutorial. HTML, CSS, JavaScript you prepared. Okay. Now with your knowledge, whichever you want, you can write Amazon, Flipkart, but you should have a patience to develop as it is means, because each and every property you have to search. So many CSS properties are there. So many HTML tags are there. JavaScript methods, so many are there, library. Whatever I taught with that knowledge, like a Flipkart, like a Amazon, like any website, Facebook, Google, whatever you want, you can design. But you should have a patience to search for that type of properties. Colors, all those things, everything. Okay. Now HTML, CSS, JavaScript tutorial. Assume you prepared one tutorial. In the tutorial, content, very good content is there. Very good content. Suppose you prepared one HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Very good content is there. This content is very good, but styles, whatever you selected, whatever you likes, those colors you applied. But whatever you likes, other people may or may not likes, no? Other people may or may not likes. Okay. Then because of styles, content, your website may be outdated. Because of only styles. Okay. Suppose font size is not good. Suppose it is very small font is there. Few people, they are unable to read, or it is not comfortable for them, or this font style is not good. Font family is not good. Font size, font style is not good. Then people, they may not use your website. According to them, according to whatever they required, if you allow to change, it is better, no? They can customize styles. What you can do with the JavaScript, you can provide that. So some style sheets I'll apply to this HTML. What I'll do is some HTML buttons I'll create. Input type equal to button. This button value style sheet 1. Same style, one more button. Suppose style sheet 2, style sheet 3. File save. Now 3 buttons I created. You observe style sheet 1, style sheet 2, style sheet 3. Okay. Now if I click style sheet 1, one type of style sheet. If I click style sheet 2, another style. If I click style sheet 3, one more style. Like that, many styles if you give a chance, then user, whichever he likes, he'll click, he'll customize that style, he can read. then your website may becomes popular. Because of styles only, your website may be outdated. If you give a chance to change the style, how to give a chance? JavaScript required. But dynamically, if you want to change, JavaScript required. And styles, if you want to write, CSS required. JavaScript, CSS, all you can combine. Now, if I click style sheet one style, a style sheet two, one more, style sheet three, one more. How to write? Here are some functions. On click equal to fun one method, or style one, something style one. Okay, like on click style two, here on click style three, on click style three. You observe style one, style two, style three. These all JavaScript functions. We have to write functions. Where you will write, you can write head also, you can write body also. Header also you can write, body also you can write. Okay. Here if you want to write, okay, you can write in a header part also, body part also. 1 minute. You can write in a header part also, body part also. But after loading these tags, you can write. That is better. So what you can do here, you can write style, script, open, script, close. Now, here you observe, it is totally HTML. Is there any JavaScript code? No. These are JavaScript, just calling function only. If I click style 1, style 2, styles 3, script, here I'll write functions. Function style 1. That is 3 functions. Function style 3, style 2. Okay, it's one function. Again, function style 3. Okay, like this I'm writing 3 different functions. Now, style 1 function, style 2, style 3. File, save. Present, there is no difference. Present, there is no difference. See, I clicked, functions called, function is nothing is there, that's what not applied. Here, first of all, this background body tag I want to access, background color I want to change. Background color, foreground color I want to change. If you want to access this element, methods you study now? Now, which method is suitable now? ID, because only one. Suppose ID equal to something demo. Now, here, what you have to write? Let element equal to document dot get element by ID. ID is demo. Okay. Now element dot style dot background color equal to something red. You observe. If I click red color, okay, here green, here blue, something, whatever you want, you can write. Suppose red color I given. Same lines I'll write here. Okay, color different I'll write. Same lines here. Font color if you want to apply, style dot color. Suppose yellow. That is, I'll write here. Here. Otherwise, here yellow. Here red. Here another color. Green. Here yellow. Suppose cyan. Here purple. Something. See. Now present no styles. If I click on style, what I given? I didn't save. File, save. See. Here, if I click style sheet 1, okay, style sheet 2, style sheet 3, like this. Now little bit only, I'll add some more. See, like this, different styles. Only colors are applied now. Only colors are applied. Okay. Now, what I want is here for first one, this line alignment left side, one more center, one more right side. I want to apply. Then that is which tag? This one. This one, no? H1. For this one, ID. Something test. What you can do here? Again, let. Okay, this is something element 1. Element 1. Next, element 2 equal to document dot get element by ID. Test. Alignment. How to do? Element 2 dot align equal to first one left, second one right, third one center. Like that I want. Now here, if you don't write 3 times, whatever previous style is there, no, that is applied. That is the reason always you have to write. Suppose it is left. Here, suppose center. Here, right. Okay, right. Now, if I click style sheet 1, like this, style sheet 2, see it is centered now. Style sheet 3, right side. Okay, now this font I want to change. Font. How to change the font? Font family. Element 2 dot style dot font family. Something Courier equal to Courier. See. Now here. See, this is Courier. Style 2 I applied. See what will happen, you observe. It is, if it here again Courier coming, you observe all places. All places same font coming, you observe. Reason that is only we have to override. We have compulsory, we have to write. This is style 2 place I given. Here one font. Here also one font. One is Courier. One is Arial. No, Georgia, like this. Different styles. This is one style. It is one more type. It is one more type. It is one more type. Okay, it is different. You observe. This JavaScript font, you observe. It is normal, different is there. It is different is there. Okay, that is also on style. Georgia font, that is. Now, let this font I given. Font sizes also if you want. Font size. Element 2 dot style dot font size equal to suppose 20 pixels. Now first we'll see with 20 pixel size. 20. 20 means very small. I'll go for 40. 40. It is 40. Now it is 40 continued. That is, you can change if you want. One is 40, one is 50, like that also you can write. See, one is 40, one is 50, one is 60. See, different font size also you can write. File, save. You observe, this is one size. Style sheet 1. See? Style sheet 2. See? Style sheet 3. You observe? Font size difference is there, no? Now, these are okay. Here HTML, here CSS, here JavaScript. This is totally this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These three I want to change. Then which method? Here how many elements like that? 3. H2 3 elements. Then which method you have to write? Element by tag name. Say doc let headings something, any variable headings equal to document dot get elements by tag name. What is the tag name? H2. H2. These headings, now it is array. How many headings are there? 3. Indexes required, no? Otherwise you can use for loop. For let heading of headings. From that one heading comes. From headings tag, headings one heading. For that you can change heading dot style dot something color if you want to change. Color. This is separate color you want. Suppose white. Okay. Now for all font different color appears. See that code I'll copy here. Here also suppose white only. Here any other color also you can add it. Now you observe style sheet 1. Style sheet here white came. Style sheet 2 white. Style sheet 3 white. White is not suitable all places. You can change the colors. First here background color, what is there? Yellow. On yellow white is not good. It'll change. Okay, black. Style 2. That is background color green. Green white okay. Style 3 cyan. It is red. You observe style sheet 1, style sheet 2, style sheet 3. So different. Now paragraphs. Paragraphs also I want to change. Paragraphs. Let paragraphs equal to document dot get element by tag name. What is the tag name? P. Here again for loop. Let paragraph of paragraphs. Say heading dot, no sorry, paragraph dot style dot color. If you want to change, you can change. Otherwise, I want border. Border style equal to solid. Now this code I'll apply. File save. Error is there. Which line? 28. Elements. Yeah. Add elements by tag name. Okay. Now file save. Say style. Say it is one type. It is one more. It is one more. Okay. Now get element by ID. Now you observe here one style. It is one style. It is one more style. Here, suppose in a paragraph here, font size I want to increase. Paragraph size. First one. Now here, paragraph style dot font size equal to 20 pixels. You observe, say size increased. Suppose 30 pixels. Size increased. Okay. Size increased. This size also I want to increase. Heading here. Here heading dot style dot font size equal to suppose 35. Now 30, 40, 35, 30. Like this. Now for this totally, I want to change the padding. Padding I want to change. Padding how to change? For this one, padding. Paragraphs. Paragraph dot style dot padding. 4 sides padding at a time. Suppose 10 pixels. 10 pixels padding. You observe? 10 pixels padding came. Okay, I'll make it 30 pixels. See? 30 pixels padding. Okay, 30 pixels padding. It is style sheet 2. But same applied. Because you have to write. Compulsory you have to write. Otherwise that is overridden. Again, if you refresh directly third, if you click, it doesn't come. But only style 1 clicked that applied. That is when you click style 3 also, it is continued. That is the reason repeatedly you have to write. See, directly if you click style 3, it is not changed, you observe. Okay, that's what. These all you have to write. Say border style, one is solid, one more other I'll write. One is double, one is dotted, you observe. See, it is one type. It is one more type. There are many iBomma. iBomma also you can create. For Facebook also you can create. Whatever you want, you can create. See. Now border width how to increase? Paragraph. Okay, 1 minute. That is, it will override. Not only this one. These also we have to change. Otherwise it will override. Now, suppose here, first one, this is first one 40, 35, 30. Second one, suppose this is 25. This is suppose 20. Border width. Border width also properties in border width. Paragraph dot style dot border width. Say 5 pixels. Okay, 10 pixels. Say border width. Now that is 10 I given. This is less I'll give. Suppose here 8 pixels. Here 5 pixels. You observe it is one type. It is one more type. It is one more type. Okay. Now margin. Margin if you want to apply. Actually this is body. For body you can apply margin. Body tag this one. Element 1. What you have to write? Element 1 dot style dot margin equal to suppose 100 pixels. You observe margin. Okay, it is one margin. Style sheet 2, style sheet 3. Now this line. Here. Margin, it is suppose just 30 pixels. It is almost 150 pixels or some 80 pixels. See, now style sheet 1. See, this is one type. Style sheet 2. This is one type. Style sheet 3. It is one more type. Like this, you can give a chance. Say, like this. Say, suppose your content is like this. Your content is this one. Suppose your content is this one. You liked this color, suppose. Your margins, colors, font sizes like this you prepared. It is not possible to change. Suppose it is not possible to change. Because of only this reason, few people they may not prefer your website. Because of style sheet, they may not prefer your website. Then if you give a chance to change, they can change. Suppose this is they may like. Then you can give a chance. This is they may not like. One more. You can give a chance like this. So it is dynamic interaction. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Like this you can apply. Okay. Now these all methods also you can apply. Get element by ID, get element. Now I given one example means remaining all you can do it. Writing program style is same. Writing program style is same. You observe this program. You want to write or shall I share? I'll share. Okay. Now I'll share in Google Drive. Yesterday program I shared already. You can check it. No. This program also I'll share in Google Drive. Now, other elements, other methods how to use. Other elements how to use, you observe. Now, other elements, how to use, you observe. Suppose H1 HTML, H1 CSS, H1 JavaScript. Suppose file save. If I run this program, now this output we got it. Now dynamically, this HTML I want to display with a JavaScript. I want to display as a hypertext markup language. Then you can write the code in a head also. You can write the code in body also. Suppose here, only this one content if you want to change. Online students, listen the class. Now, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubt. Here, H1, only this content I want to change. What we have tried. ID. Suppose ID equal to something demo. Okay. Here, what we have tried? Let element equal to element 1 equal to document dot get element by ID demo. Then element dot what we have tried? Inner HTML equal to hypertext markup language. So like this you can write now. You observe, if I run this program, this is script after this better. It is not loaded. After executing HTML tags better. See, loaded. Okay. You observe this, only this content I want to change. Then this is a method. Suppose these two I want to change. What do you write? Tag name means what will happen? All comes. Only these two I want to change. Then class. Class equal to test. Here class equal to test. Now, how to retry? Let element, suppose elements, next document dot get element by elements by class name. What do you write? Test. Now, here elements, okay, elements, two elements comes. First element, if you want to change, elements of 0 dot inner HTML equal to cascading style sheets. Elements of 1 dot inner HTML equal to JavaScript. Okay, here I'll write JS. Here JavaScript. You observe only this element. Which method we used? Get element by ID. These two methods, these two get elements by class name. Okay. Like this. This is also I'll share in Google Drive. Program to demonstrate get element by ID and get elements by class name methods. Okay. Okay, like this you can write. Suppose Suppose I'll remove this three elements if you want to access. What will write? I'll remove this. You observe three elements if you want to access. What do you write? Tag name. Now, what do you write? Let elements equal to, what do you write? Document dot get elements by tag name. What is the tag name? H1. Now, how to change? Elements of 0 dot inner HTML on hypertext markup language. Next, elements of 1 dot inner HTML cascading style sheets. Next, elements dot 1 2 dot inner HTML JavaScript. That's it. Now, if I run this program, see, all change, now get elements by tag name. Get elements by tag name method. You can write like this. Query selector also possible. Query selector 1, query selector all. Say, suppose here ID equal to demo. Here class equal to test. Here class equal to test. With query selector, what with query selector, what we have tried? Let element equal to document dot query selector. Only one, nothing but hash demo. With this element dot inner HTML. What I am doing, understanding all previous concepts only, I am repeating, that's it. Here hypertext markup language. This is query selector. Here query selector all means here query selector all. Then dot test. It is selector. It is class. It is ID. ID means as symbol, and the class means dot. Then here now 1 nothing but 0 nothing but now 0 nothing but CSS, 1 nothing but JavaScript. So here it is 0. It is 1. Okay. File, save. You observe same output. Okay. It is with selector, query selector all. Query selector and query selector all methods. Okay. Query selector, if you use, one comes. Query selector all means all comes. Here ID selector I used, class selector I used. Element selector if you want to write. What do you have to write here? Element selector H1. That's it. Okay. Like this you can write. Even events, load, unload, all same. Writing program style is same. Suppose for example, you observe for this window, suppose for this window, in this window, suppose something, if I press G, google.com should open. If I press F, Facebook should open. You can write those all. You observe that is window dot add event listener. One method is there. Add event listener. Add event listener method when you want to display like event you can add key down or key up. You can write one event object. You can write arrow function, otherwise complete normal function. Arrow function is studied, no? You can write when key pressed, this event generated. This event is which key? You can find out. If event dot key, if it is G, I want to open new window. New window, how to open? Window dot open. HTTP colon www.google.com. Then when you press the key, if that key is G, then google.com. You observe? If I press G key, say Google. Okay. Suppose like this, you can write if condition. Else if event dot key equal to F, Facebook I want to open. Window dot open HTTP colon www facebook.com. Like this only. Else if event dot key, if it is Y, I want to open Yahoo. Yahoo.com. Like this, you can write n number of. You observe in this browser, if I press G, google.com. In this browser, if I press F, facebook.com. If I press Y, yahoo.com. Okay. Like this, key events. Whatever I taught, on click I taught. On click place, other events you can write, that's it. This is key events you can write. Okay. Program to demonstrate key events. Okay, like this you can do it. Like this you can do it. Now, whatever you studied, writing program style is same. Properties may be different. Selectors may be different. JavaScript method names may be different. HTML tags may be different. Attributes may be different. Entities may be different. But writing HTML program, CSS program, JavaScript programs are same. The way I taught, library very vast. Suppose you want to design like a Flipkart, like a Amazon, like a Facebook. Suppose these all, suppose like a Google, like a Yahoo, these colors, all those things means you have to search. You should have a patience to search which color is there, which method is there. You have to search, you have to apply. That's it. Any style you can design with this knowledge. Okay. So these notes I'll share in Google Drive. Up to here, your course is completed. Okay. In HTML, CSS, JavaScript, maximum times in interview, they'll ask JavaScript only. HTML, they may ask only form related tags. Okay. CSS, they may ask selectors. JavaScript, complete JavaScript. Okay. For if you want to refer something, some more knowledge, if you want, w3schools.com is the best website. Okay. w3schools.com, everyone knows this one. So this website is this, you type HTML tutorial also, and If you type HTML tutorial also, CSS tutorial also, JavaScript tutorial also, always the first website, this one only comes, you observe. Other language leave it, but HTML, CSS, JavaScript, it is the number one website. Everything available in this website. Okay. This HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything available. Everything. Your complete list you observe about JavaScript. Whatever you want, it is there almost. Okay. But only you should have a patience to search. You should have patience to search. You should have patience to learn. That's it. Okay. Now, if you want to refer more than this content, go for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this w3schools.com only. Everything available. Okay. But those who are learning full stack Java, maximum you concentrate on Java. Okay. And JavaScript. Those who are learning full stack .NET, maximum you concentrate on .NET and JavaScript. And those are learning Python and JavaScript. Those are learning mean stack, mern stack, JavaScript, first part to last part, server side JavaScript also compulsory learn. Those people. Those who joined for mean stack, mern stack, those people, it is not completed. You have to learn Node.js class also. That Node.js also important. Those who joined for mean stack, mern stack, only those students. Those students compulsory, they have to learn Express.js, Node.js. That is server side JavaScript. But Java students, .NET student, Python students, JavaScript, this is enough. Okay. Mean stack students, mern stack students only, they must learn Express.js, Node.js. Compulsory you have to learn. Those who joined for mean stack, mern stack. Remaining people, no need to learn. Remaining people, no need to learn. If you learn all also, no use. Okay. You will not get a perfection. That is also a problem. Okay. Up to here, your course is completed. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. Okay. Okay. This is my mail ID. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. But only Sundays I'll give a reply. Okay. If you post on Saturday also, you'll get a Sunday. If you post on Monday also, you'll get a reply on Sunday. Okay. Because 10 hours I'll be in Amirpet only. Okay. Morning to evening. Only Sundays I'll give a reply. Okay. I'm wishing you all the best. Okay. 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 Thank you all. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. Online students, Shivarama Krishna, like a iBomma, like a Facebook, like a wtschool.com, anything you can do it with this knowledge. FG. Sir, so many properties are there you can apply. Rohit. So many concepts will be there. I have shown the way. With that way, you can create. Shiva Ramakrishna. If you want to get the data, HTML forms required, browser prompt required. Dattatreya. This is like a project type only. Yesterday, today, whatever I taught, it's like a project type. Noor. Interview. Like subject, you have to learn questions, maybe different angle comes. Subject, different angles, interview questions will be there. You should be able to give answer. Yeah, Parimita, thank you. Suvendu, thank you. Vanamala, yeah, same programs. Suraj, only client side JavaScript. FG, thank you all. Subbalakshmi, yeah, if they arrange, I'll start. Praneeth, framework separate batch. Baji Patan. Here, different faculty they are teaching, different they are assigning. Yuvraj, thank you. Shiva Ramakrishna, you can join uh, frameworks. React.js, AngularJS, Sampath, thank you. Pramila, mechanical engineering. But anything, if you are interested, logics, if you are interested coding, Java, .NET, Python only better. Suraj. Which part to know all types? Python, develop full stack Python means Django also you have to learn. Raj, thank you. Somo, thank you. Up top, my core Java new batch, it takes time. Maybe after 1 week or 10 days. Afrin, thank you. Sujay, thank you. Yeah, thank you all. Many people given. Vanamala. Yeah, frameworks. Nowadays, React is popular. Raju, thank you. Ashish, not able to download. Okay, I'll upload again. Anish, contact admin to get certificate. Sujay, yeah, thank you. Sahan, thank you. Ajay Kumar, advanced Java. After advanced Java, Spring Boot we can learn. Komal, yeah, you can access. Mohammed Saad, JavaScript to database means server side JavaScript. Node.js required. Prasad, thank you. Nikhil, thank you. Satya Sai, Google Drive only soft copies I'm passing no, sharing no. Raja, React JS is better. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all. Ramya, thank you. Ansari, thank you. Shiva, Python related courses you can learn. Shebaj, thank you. Yeah, subject is very vast. So many concepts are there. With this knowledge, you can learn anything. Shivam, today last class completed. Suraj, thank you. Naresh, thank you. Mohammed Saad, with this knowledge also you can learn. You can search for jobs. Ramya, Bootstrap, Angular, here, whatever they assign, I'll teach. Come, I'm full stack, complete full stack Java I can teach. Afrin, those are just functions related methods, concepts. Raju, drive link forever. Komal, and forever will be there. Bootstrap is on framework. Angular, Bootstrap, Angular, you should not compare. Angular, React, you can compare. Bootstrap is only CSS framework. Tarun, Ramakan, it will be there future. Soumya, complete Java you learn or only core advance? But if you want to put it experience, compulsory frameworks required. Shivam, yeah, you can learn React JS. Okay, thank you all. Tarun, Bootstrap, Angular, you should not compare. Bootstrap is one framework, Angular is another framework. Angular, React, you can compare. Soumya, core advanced completed means compulsory learn framework better. Because nowadays all are asking frameworks also. Okay, thank you all. Yeah, thank you all. It is enough for interview purpose also.